All right, now I'm going to show you something very interesting. I'm pretty sure you might have overlooked this particular feature on your Galaxy phone. This is regarding a Wi-Fi feature. Before I go ahead and show you that, let me tell you we have got a brand new collection added on the Volverse wallpaper application. It's called Quotes, and you can see more than 120 wallpapers are available, and they all are just beautiful with some amazing quotes. You are going to love all of them. So do go ahead, check it out. This is under Premium Collections. The link for the application is in the description. And while you are at it, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you find this video informative. Now, without wasting any time, let's dive in. Let me tell you what exactly I'm talking about. Let's go to the Wi-Fi settings here, and I'll tap on the three dot button here. Now I will tap on Intelligent Wi-Fi. You all know that we get this connectivity lab feature which is hidden. To enable that, you need to tap on Intelligent Wi-Fi multiple times. And once you enable connectivity labs, there is a big list of features available here which most of us already know. Now the feature that I am particularly talking about is something called Home Wi-Fi Inspection. Not sure how many of you guys have checked this feature out. This is a very interesting one. Let me tell you what exactly it does. Let me tap on Home Wi-Fi Inspection. Now this will check the Wi-Fi configuration and advise better home Wi-Fi setup for you guys. And look at this icon. It looks beautiful, right? We have got that router image right there. Let's go ahead and tap on Start, and we will have to select the Wi-Fi network. Now this is my home Wi-Fi network, and you can see some details here. I'll tap on Next. Here it says set a stronger security setting. Following Wi-Fi router has a weak security. So that clearly says that my Wi-Fi router got weak security, and it is telling me what exactly I can do. Change security type to stronger one as below. WPA3 personal for better security. WPA2, WPA3 transitional for compatible with older devices. WPA2 personal AES is appropriate when you can't use one of the more secure modes. So these are some of the suggestions that I'm getting here. Now let me tap on Next, and here it says if you're ready, press Start button and walk around home with your device to check weak signal area. Weak signal area will be shown as red background on the graph in the next page. And that is a very interesting feature. If you have a big house, you can walk around the house using this particular feature on your phone, and you can track the weak signal area very easily, and that will be very helpful for most of you out there. Let me just turn on the light mode here, and what I'll now do is I'll tap on Start, walk around the house, and let's see how the graph looks like. Let me go ahead and tap on Start. Check this out. This is the graph. It will continuously measure the signals, and you can see these are the different areas in the house where I have got the weaker and stronger signals. In most of the areas in the house, I have got the strong signals here. You can also see it says on top, walk around home and check weak signal area. Press Done button to finish investigation. Let me just tap on Done, and I can either resume or exit. I'll tap on Exit. That is a very, very useful feature which we have on both One UI 8.5 as well as on One UI 9. And this one here is a new feature available only on One UI 9 currently, AI Network Guard. This will block applications and all related domains. Let me tap on this. Here it says help your children stay focused and productive on their work and studies by reducing distractions with AI assisted network access control. You can manage restriction by tapping on this. You'll have to enter the key. For the first time when you use it, you will have to obviously set up a PIN, and you'll be doing this on your children's phone, not on your phone. You can set this up on your children's phone and restrict the applications. Now I can tap on Restrict Apps and select the application that you want to restrict. Currently Chrome beta has been restricted. Now if you see, if I tap on Chrome, it says access blocked for Chrome beta, and your children will not be able to use that specific application that you have set up. That's how that works. This is AI Network Guard, currently available on One UI 9. These are some of the features which you should try on your One UI. Do let me know, have you already tried or not? Drop a comment, and while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful, and don't forget to check out our latest collection, the Quotes, which is available on the Volverse wallpaper application. The link for the app is in the description. That's about it. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.